How to fix Capcut network error on PC. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix or resolve issues if you're encountering network errors on your Capcut. I'm going to be showing you the VPN method. First is open up any available web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Just simply type in VPN gate. This is going to be our resources for us to be able to get or to have a VPN hostname. Just simply scroll down a bit, and on these tabs right here, all the username and password are going to be the same. So just open up your Windows icon and type in VPN, then choose on Add a VPN connection. Then here, choose on Add a VPN connection once again, and then simply change the VPN provider into the Windows built-in, and then your server name or address is going to be depending on what specific hostname you have to choose. So you just have to copy this and then paste it into the VPN field and then change the VPN type into SSTP and hit on save. Once everything is set up, just simply restart or relaunch your Capcut client and you're done. And that's how you fix Capcut network error on PC.